Hi everyone, welcome to our vlog. Today we are going to talk about climate change, a topic everyone hears but do not fully understand.
In this video, we will not only explain what climate change is, but also we will showcase the real life situations where you can clearly see what the difference between facts and common misunderstandings.
Guys, do you notice that it feels hot today? It's hotter than usual. I think this is the climate change happening right now.
Yeah, I noticed that too. The weather keeps changing every day, and I guess that's what climate change really is.
I also thought climate change just means sudden changes in weather, but or like when it's become too hot or too rainy. Yeah, same here. I thought when weather changes, it's already a climate change.
What you just heard is actually a very common misconception about climate change that most people believe.
One hot day and or one sunny sudden changes in temperature doesn't mean that it is a climate change. Instead, it is simply a weather that changes day to day.
Climate, on the other hand, refers to the overall pattern of weather in a place for a long period of time, not just days or weeks.
So, when we say climate change, we're talking about the long-term changes in rainfall, weather pattern, and temperature. And it is usually observed at least 30 years.
Guys, I think the temperature right now is much hotter compared to before. Even it used to be cooler.
Um, I've also noticed that the storms are getting stronger and more frequent than they were in the past.
These changes are not only uncomfortable, but it also is starting to affect our daily life and routines. Yeah, even our health and foods we rely on are being affected by the sudden changes of this environment.
What they are showing are the possible effects of climate change, especially if these changes happen repeatedly over a long period of time.
Rising temperature, stronger storm, and impact of food and health supplies are all signs that the climate are gradually changing.
But to fully understand this, you also need to look into the past.
I think, guys, in the past, the weather felt more balanced. And for today, um, extreme conditions were not as common.
Um, Strong typhoon and extreme weather did happen, but they were not as frequent as what we experience right now.
So does it mean climate change is something new that only exists today? Or wait guys, matagal na ba to? Like even before our generation?
Climate change is not a new occurrence. It already existed even before, but it was mainly caused by the natural factors.
This includes volcanic eruption, changes in the Earth's orbit, and natural greenhouse gases.
However, today, human activities such as pollution, deforestation, industrial emissions, making the climate change happen fast and more extent.
So if that's the case, can we already say it is climate change if this year feel hotter than before?
Not immediately, because climate change cannot be based on just one year or one event.
Scientists study climate patterns at least 30 years to confirm that the climate is consistent and long-term.
This helps us avoid confusion between short-term weather changes and actual climate change.
Guys, do you ever notice that before, strong typhoons are not very common in our area?
Um, yes, but now they occur more frequently with higher intensity.
I also noticed that the temperature keeps increasing over the years. So it's clear that this changes is not just a temporary, but it's happening continuously.
These long-term and consistent changes are what we define as climate change.
And even though it is a serious issue, there are simple ways we can help to reduce its effect.
We can save energy by turning off unused appliances, reduce waste by avoiding too much plastic, and help protect environment by planting trees.
And also, we can spread awareness so that more people can understand the importance of taking action.
Climate change is not about a single hot day.
But it is all about the long-term changes in our environment.
that affect our weather.
Our health.
And our daily life.
We must act now to protect our future.
Thank you for watching!